Hello, good evening. Yeah, let's get started. Let's get a brand new whiteboard. Um, okay. Yeah, this guy will do. Okay. Okay. Let's get started. I skipped running today because, you know, I was kind of busy at work, so during the lunchtime I only have like 30 minutes lunch break. So, but yeah, yeah, it happens. So, so happy Friday. I kind of feel guilty because I could have run before this recording started, but yeah, I didn't. Kind of feel guilty about that. Should I run now? Maybe. But yeah, it's Friday, okay, so I'm gonna give myself a break, okay, so because I'm really eager to get back to this mathematics. I mean, it's not really big discovery or anything. It's something very small, okay. Uh, we discovered that any random periodic integer sequence can be expressed with row algebra and some other things. So let's get back to it. Okay, so all right. So let's just review what we had yesterday. Okay. Oops. Yeah. We don't need any pens. So what we have here is some random integer periodic sequence like 527, 527, 527. Okay. Yeah, the length of this period, it can be any length. All right. So and the length, that's what where actually we need some pens. So the length is where, yeah, it's right here. The length of this period goes to the right hand side of the row expression. Okay, so n non-negative integers, okay, natural numbers, right? And nth sequence, it goes like this, okay? Zeros, first, second, third, okay? 5 to 7, 5 to 7, just repeats itself like that, okay? And then, so it's a finite period. Period itself does not increase, okay? Constant period, right? Because we can, the palindromic number, right? Wave number, period actually can increase, okay? Some sequence, yeah, we can think of those kind of sequences, but we are not dealing with that. We're talking about the fixed sequence and fixed period, okay? Constant period. Why? Well, because we got into this discussion because of, to model the cyclic nature of population growth and uh, contraction, population expansion and contraction, it seem to be cyclic. Okay, so um, that's why we are doing this. Okay, so okay, yeah, we are trying to model the population change, right? Just kind of like a biological problem, and So, and sine, cosine, I'm decent at trigonometry, but we want to find the simplest model as simple as possible. Okay. Uh, I'm decent at calculus and trigonometry. All right. So, but unless we need them, we are not going to use them. Why? Because we want to find the simplest possible model. Okay. And that's number theory, integer, blah blah blah, natural numbers. Okay. So we don't even deal with negative numbers. Okay. So we want to find the simplest model possible. Okay. Now, uh, so that's why we are studying this kind of mathematics. Okay. So, okay. Now, what's the function for AM? So, we divide n by 3 and we come up with this remainders 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so uh, if it's 0, then we assign 5. Okay, so what we are trying to do here is this. Okay, we're gonna need another whiteboard. All right, so well, but I just give you some preview. Right, an is equal to 5 to the x times 2 to the y times 7 to the z. Right, what we want x, y, z to be 1 or 0. Okay, so this is kind of interesting problem. Okay, so yeah, I was really glad to discover this. I was very excited. It's nothing fancy, perhaps nothing that important, nothing that impressive, but I was very happy with this. Okay, so this is neat. So this x, y, z, they will uh, be like it will involve some raw algebraic function, raw expression. Okay, so so that's what we're gonna do today. All right, uh, and it's not that simple either. Okay, so it's just right. It's not too difficult. It's not too easy. It's just right. Price is just right. Okay, so that's why I was kind of happy with that. Okay. Yeah, so we take 5 minutes break. Why don't you think about what x, y, z would be using this raw expression? Okay? Yeah. All right. All right. Let's take a break. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and grab the whiteboard, okay? So we reviewed what we did yesterday. So we are ready. Yeah. We are ready. All right. So how was your week? How was your day? I hope you had a very good one. And ooh. uh let me grab a brand new vodka bottle. Not quite ready yet, huh? Okay. All right. Yeah. So let's see. Um, so it let's make I'm sorry. Let's make one more example, shall we? Let's say 5273. 5273. Okay, so then basically it will look like this. Okay, this A0, all right? 5 5 is equal to 5 times first times 5 to the first times 2 to the zeroth times 7 to the zeroth times 3 to the zeroth. Okay, so it's kind of like binary encoding. All right, so what is 2? 5 to the zeroth, 2 to the first, and 7 to the zeroth, 3 to the zeroth, and so on. All right, so okay. Yeah, I kind of do some basic idea, but I haven't quite written down the exact formula for it. I don't know. I don't have it yet. We are gonna do it together, okay? But I got some good idea how to go about it, okay? But I didn't quite have the results yet. We'll do it together, all right? So it's gonna be a little bit slow. Why? Because I'm slow, all right? So well, let's just spell it out, okay? 7. Yeah, it looks like binary number, right? Yeah. So that's the idea behind it. Like 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 Okay, so that's the intuition, all right? It's neat. Okay. Uh, okay, so this is an. It's an integer, natural number sequence, n, zero, start from zero. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and n row 4 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now so now we have 1, 0, 0, 0, which is 2 to the third, right? And you're looking at just extract the powers exponents. Okay, then there's 2 to the second, 0, 0, 1, 0. Yeah, 2 to the first, 0, 0, 0, 1 in binary number. Okay, there's a 2 to the 0th, right? 1 binary numbers. Now what? So 3, 2, 1, 0, right? So it's like the opposite of 0, 1, 2, 3. So we somehow need to convert 0, 1, 2, 3, and we need to convert 3, 2, 1, 0 into 0, 1, 2, 3 somehow. Okay. Oh boy. Yeah, it's challenging problem. Really, it really is. Let's look at the when the cycle is only two, the period two. I have it somewhere. You gotta find it. We have formula for it, you know. Maybe I erased it. Oh my goodness. Shouldn't have erased it. Yeah. We don't have any room. Okay. We grab another whiteboard, okay? Shoot. Yeah, we erase this guy, okay? So, because we are no longer dealing with iceberg, so. Let's go back to the basics. Let's deal with period 2. By the way, I love Wisconsin cheese, okay? Uh, it's just I have to watch what I eat, but went to a gas station one day and they had this Wisconsin cheese sausage. I bought it and I ate it, okay? hot dog. It was good. All right. Because it's just once in a while, and I also love this Wisconsin pickles. What hot mama, big papa. Oh, I love that Wisconsin pickle. Fantastic. Very firm, good size, great texture, spicy. Yeah, fantastic. Huge fan of Wisconsin. Okay, so yeah, I lived there for 7 years. So yeah, they're cool people. Oh, okay, now is we'll take a break soon. Okay, so if sequence is such that 575757, okay, and you have n 0, 1, 2, 3. This is an, right? And n row 2 is 0, 1, 0, 1, right? So what is an? Do you remember? We did this, right? Yeah, fill in the blank, please, if you want to. Okay. This is easy, right? But it get become more complex when we generalize the periodicity, length of period. Okay, so yeah, this one is easy. Do you need more time? Maybe you don't, but I do. So I want to drink. It's my Friday too. Okay, so yeah, I was just sit back and relax. It was a very busy week, so and it's over. Okay, so that's great. So yeah, the coronavirus situation in Asia. So basically, you know, I don't have coronavirus, but yeah, it's the season, right? So it's this common flu or common cold. So yes, last night I kind of felt something on my throat, right? So I drank a lot of water, and I also took some Dayquil, right? And then in the morning, I took hot bath. Yeah, tip it, not too hot because hot bath. If water is too hot, you may lose your hair. Okay, because when you defeather the dead chicken in order to eat chicken, you pluck all the feathers from chicken, right? How do you do it? You put the that dead chicken in the hot water, right? And then you can eat more easily uh, pluck out all the feathers. Why? Because this wax, the hair root is kind of waxy. So when you heat it up, it become more like liquid, okay, oil. So that's why you can defeather chicken if you dip in a hot water. Corollary of that is that if you take very hot bath and if you're like me, aging man, you can lose your hair more easily that way. Okay, so just like a dead chicken. Okay, so okay. Anyway, so yeah, I took some nice bath, tepid water. Okay, warm enough, right? And all this bothering this virus in my throat, maybe it was common flu or common cold, it's gone. Why? Lysis. Lysis. Lysed. Yeah, because virus, bacteria, whatever, when there are a lot of humidity, water gets into that cell, single cellular or virus, okay, and it gets lysed. Okay? Yeah, like balloon popping. Okay, yeah, it's osmosis, right? I learned that in biology. Okay, yeah, lysis. So probably that's one of the reasons when people get common cold or flu during the winter. Why? Winter is very dry. Why? Because when air temperature is cold, air cannot contain moist, right? The moist capacity decreases when temperature goes down. Okay, but when it warms up, then air contains more moist, and water can be fatal to bacteria or virus. They get lysis. Okay, yeah. Okay, I gave you enough time, right? But I want to give you more time because I want to drink. Okay, so all right, so yeah, yeah. I'm kind of low energy now because I didn't run, right? And it was busy day, so and I wanted to give myself a break. So yeah, it's okay once in a while. Skip running, yeah. Because sometimes I run during the weekends too. Sometimes, okay. So it kind of cancels out, balances out, right? So so good. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so uh, 5 to the n plus 1 row 2. Okay? Multiply by 7 times n row 2. Okay, it's that simple. Alright? Right? And I want to write this down. Okay, so this is neat. Really cool. Alright, so all we gotta do is to generalize this somehow such that when period is n, I mean k, we can still have some kind of formula, you know. So yeah, this raw expression, raw algebra is something extremely powerful. Okay, it's really cool stuff. Okay, yeah, I told you a brief history about raw algebra. Okay, that happened in this room maybe a year ago. Okay, so I told you all about it yesterday, right? Yeah, yeah. Let's take a break, okay? So, okay, yeah, let's take 5, okay? Yeah, so this whatever virus or bacteria that was kind of bothering my throat is gone. Okay, because I took a bath, very humid, tepid water, lukewarm water, so it's gone. Okay, yeah. Of course, yeah. The Dayquil it really helped, right? So, anyways, okay. Let's get back to the other whiteboard. Okay, so we have this. So let me save this guy down there so that I can refer to it and get back to this guy, which is far more challenging. So, in computer science, there's this concept, this methodology called masking, right? It's like bitwise AND, right? To extract nth digit, bitwise AND. In computer programming languages like C, C++, most likely C sharp. I don't know about Java, right? C sharp, I'm not sure, okay, but C and C++, yeah, this bitwise operation, AND operation, or O operation, or XOR operation, bitwise, it's it's there, all right. Bitwise AND is just 1 ampersand, 1 ampersand. Okay, so yeah, so we may take advantage of that, or we may go old school, all right. So all depends. It's too cold, so let me just take off this outer layer, this raincoat, trench coat, and leave this blazer alone. I mean, with me, on me. Okay, so happy Friday. How was your day? Yeah, my day was good. Yeah, my week was very good. Okay, yeah, it's just that it was a busy week. Okay, so I'm just unwinding a little bit, chilling. But it was good. Okay, so we got the job done, group project, and it was very good. Okay, so yeah, yeah, I'm just tired, exhausted. Okay, after a long busy week. That's all. All right, so I'm in very good mood. All right, just low energy. All right, because I skipped running. Okay, okay. So it's that extraction concept. Okay, so we have 4 digits, right? We are extracting out of 4 digits, very first digit, okay? And then second digit, third digit, and fourth digit, right? That's what we are doing here. It's a kind of binary encoding, yes or no, 1 or 0, okay? That's all this is, okay? So, and we want to correspond this 3, 2, 1, 0, first, second, third, fourth. It's the opposite order of this row algebra 0, 1 to 3. So all we gotta do is to uh, horizontally swap it, reflection, horizontal reflection. Okay, so that's all we gotta do, which is not that difficult at all. Okay. Okay. But it's not that easy either. I have to think about this. I'm sorry. I'm slow. I apologize. Okay, but hey, man, lady, I had a very long week. I just continue to drink, okay, to relax. Okay. So nowadays, America thinks drinking is bad, right? But I have to disagree. Okay, drinking is good, right? So if you know how to do it right, you don't drink and drive, you don't drink and be abusive, violent. Okay, because in Korea, an Asian way of drinking, when you drink, you relax. It's like a shot. No, I never do that. I drink very slowly, just small one sip, and over a long period of time, you just relax and enjoy it. That's Asian way of drinking. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. How do we swap this easily? Maybe. Let's say, we'll say inverse. Okay. We come up with a function. Okay. No matter what it is. Okay. Because it's not that difficult to find this swapping function. Or it's not that hard. Let's just tentatively call it inverse of n row 4. Okay. And it will be like 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Inverse. Okay. Once we have that, then it's a lot easier now. Why? Because you just raise it to the power of 2. Okay. Make this exponents. All right. So for very first one, 2 to the 3 is binary encoding of that is 1 0 0 0, right? And then you extract the first one 1, second one 0, third one 0, fourth one 0. Okay. Yeah, you can just extract that, right? So uh, so we need to find this inverse function. Well, it's not inverse, it's like, it's not reverse, it's like a reflection. All right. So uh, horizontal refraction. Okay. So yeah, it's reverse order. We are yeah, we call it R for reverse and reflection. All right. So 0 1 2 3 becomes 3 2 1 0. Okay. So reversing also is a reflection. Okay. Horizontal reflection. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna have to find that function. Okay. So boy. One thing I noticed is that if you add these two numbers, become 3, 3, 3, and 3. Okay, okay, we can take advantage of that. Okay, okay, okay. Start to make sense. What kind of function does that? They convert 0 to 3, 1 to 2, 2 to 1, 3 to 0. I'm kind of getting some idea here. Do you? Yeah, let's come up with a hypothesis. All right, so this is fun. Okay, yeah, it's not too difficult, not too easy. Just in the happy middle, right? Okay. Okay. How about, is this equal to, it's a hypothesis. Okay, so uh, we write in green, right? Hypothesis. Is this equal to perhaps n plus 3, row 4, perhaps? Let's see. Maybe, maybe. Maybe, maybe not. I don't think it is. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's not. Because when n is 1, 4 row 4, that's 0, it's not 2, right? Yeah, it fails. Okay, so yeah, not. It's not. Right? Yeah, but we are getting there, right? We just noticed 0 plus 3 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, so, okay. Second hypothesis. Maybe this guy is equals to um, 3 minus n row 4. I think so. I think we got it right this time. Yeah. It should be. Right? You add them up, it becomes 3, right? So you come up with the equation, okay? N row 4 plus r of n row 4 is equal to 3. Okay? So it's algebra, right? Arithmetic. Yeah, n row 4 go to the other side, so 3 minus n row 4 becomes r of n row 4. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Good. Very good. How do you generalize this? Oh, you wanna do it? When period is p, so r n row p is equal to what? Okay? That's too easy, right? But I'll let you do it, okay? We'll take 5 minutes break. Alright? Good. We are making good progress here. Because, last night or 2 nights ago, okay, I was thinking about this swapping, this extraction. Looks like that's not necessary, okay? So, because that become very complex, okay? This is my shortcut. Not cutting the corner because this is correct, but shortcut. Okay, more efficient way. Good, very good. Is this publication material? I think it is. Okay. Yeah, go ahead, publish this. Okay. So, oh, Asian man winking, right? You'd give you a nightmare. So creepy. Ah. I used to make these jokes all the time. Okay. Uh, in those 200 episodes. Okay, so we'll take 5 minutes. All right. So yeah, good stuff. What a good hobby we have, right? Humanological mathematics. Yeah, we'll take 5 minutes. Okay. Very good. Very good. God, thank you. Thank you for being with us. Thank you. I'm not sure if it's in the 200 lost episode or not, but I came up with this pyramid number theory. It's like systematic enumeration of numbers, okay, in n-dimensional fashion. Uh, if we have time in the future, we'll go over it because I'm not sure if it's within these 200 lost episodes or prior to that. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, because that's what really helped me. A couple of nights ago, I was in my bed. I grabbed my notebook and mechanical pencil and then tried to figure this out, and it really helped. Okay, systemic enumeration method. Okay, is something extremely powerful too. Okay, so what is it? Uh, just like Pascal's triangle, basically. Okay, so some geometric enumeration of numbers. Okay, that really helped. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this will work. So you wanna generalize this? I give you like a minute. Okay, I wanna relax. Okay, it's my Friday too. Okay, so yeah. Thank you for being here with me. Okay, I don't care if you're a Google YouTube employee or not. Okay, if you're a Google YouTube employee, oh yeah, you're welcome here too. Okay. Yeah, I know you are doing your job. You are here because you are paid to do. You are here because you have to be here. But you are still welcome. Okay. Good to have your company. All right. Yeah. And thank you for letting me be here in YouTube. Okay. YouTube space. YouTube sphere. Yeah. It makes my life easier. Why? Because it's Google YouTube block this, get rid of this account because they didn't like what I have to say. Yeah, then I will have to go to foreign website, learn their language, which is fantastic. Okay, yeah, I'm okay with that. Why? Because I know how to learn languages. Okay, it doesn't. It's not too difficult for me to learn a brand new foreign language. Why? Because uh, when I was in the U.S. Army, okay, yeah, I took this test. It's kind of like generalization of all different languages, okay, and I scored pretty high for it, okay, because I by then I knew a lot of languages, basics, all right. I knew some basic Italian, German, French. Well, my Italian isn't good at all right, but German a little bit better, French, yeah, better, and Spanish better. Russian, I'm still learning it. All right, like spasiba, harosho, whatever. Yeah, like zdras, zdravstvuyte. Okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. I love languages, right? Yeah. So yeah, it doesn't take me too long, and it's not that difficult for me to learn a brand new language. I know some Arabic too, okay? Some Chinese, some Japanese, okay? And full Korean, full English, okay? So yeah, so I can learn English fairly quickly, okay? Because there's a pattern in languages, okay? Yeah, and I'm decent at it, alright? I know some Portuguese as well, alright? So, okay. But yeah, Google YouTube, yeah, they are good. All right, they're cool. Now, to generalize this, yeah, it's this. Okay. I mean, P, period. P for period. Okay. P minus one minus n rho P. Okay. What's that? Yeah, this is the reverse function, right, of n rho p. Okay, we got it. Would you like to prove this? Would you like us to prove this together? Sure, we can. Okay, let's do that. It's been a while. You know, in this last 200 episodes, 600 hours worth, we did proofs every now and then because proving proofs, mathematical proofs, we learn something new. Okay, it's not just formalism's sake. No, actually, it's very educational activity. Right, so we prove this. Okay. Yeah, we're inspired by biology. Before that, yeah, the climate change activism, because they say, oh, climate change. Yeah, we get it. Yeah, Alaska is getting warmer and warmer. This winter was warmer than 4 years ago because this winter in Alaska, 2020, the lowest it got is like negative 20. 4 years ago, it was like negative 45 in this town. Yeah, the valley in Alaska, all right? Yeah. It is getting warmer, okay, and which is good for me. Why? I mean, I don't want winter to be too cold, right? And it cost me too much to for this heating bill. So if Alaska gets warmer, oh, that's a good news because I don't like to be in this too cold environment. It costs too much heating bill, right? Now, Florida, there was one day Florida was warmer than Alaska. Okay, so they used to call it global warming. Then they realized it's not exactly global warming, but some part of the world actually cools down. It's colder, right? Yeah, some day, couple of years ago, Florida was warmer than Alaska, right? So they changed the term. It's no longer global warming, but it's climate change. And that's a good thing. Why? Florida gets cooler, Alaska gets warmer. We reduce energy consumption. Okay. Florida getting cooler, they don't have to run this air conditioner. Alaska getting warmer, we don't have to run this heater. We save energy, okay? So, yeah. Yes, we are burning less fossil fuel thanks to climate change. Okay? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's take 5 to 10 minutes, just 5 minutes break. Maybe 10 minutes because I gotta start cooking my dinner. Okay, so 5 to 10 minutes break, and we'll try to prove this, which is not gonna be that difficult. Okay, so yeah, in lost 200 episodes when I was so offensive, so Google YouTube they recommended me not to upload it. Okay, if you're in doubt, if you're gonna it's gonna be offensive or not. If you're in doubt, don't upload it. And I took their advice. Okay, so I'm not gonna upload it unless Google YouTube give me some carte blanche. Alright, when they haven't given it to me yet. I'm still waiting. Right? Yeah. And I did some proofs there, okay? Every now and then, right? Just to refresh, to refresh, keep it alive, our proving skill. Because mathematical proof is not just formalism, right? We learn something brand new when we prove something, okay? Yeah, this shouldn't be very difficult at all. Okay, so let's go ahead and prove this, okay? This shouldn't be very difficult at all. All right, yeah. So we'll go ahead and do it, okay? I wouldn't say we'll try to prove this because my feeling, gut feeling, this shouldn't be very difficult of proof, okay? No, we'll do it, okay? Yeah, it will not be very long of proof, okay? So if you want to, yeah, go ahead and prove this, okay? Yeah, shouldn't be that difficult, okay? Let's take a break, okay? 5 to 10 minutes, all right? I gotta start cooking my dinner, so okay. Okay, we're back. Cooking my dinner. Yeah. The microwave. Yeah. I'm a single guy. What do you expect? I don't need some fancy dinner. Yeah, microwave dinner. It's just fine. Some frozen food. Okay. What do I have in the microwave? Uh, Yee. What is all this? I'm trying to eat here. Numbers, disgusting. Yeah, we're gonna prove this. Yeah, yeah. We do later. Okay, so how about proof by definition? It's not lazy man's proof. We just define. Okay. All we gotta do. Proof by definition. The lazy amateur mathematician's proof. Okay. We'll just define this guy. Okay, by using this one line here. By definition. Okay, this is that. Okay. QED. Proof by definition. All right. How about that? Dot dot dot. Okay. Instead of equation, we just define it as such. All right. How about that? Just kidding. I'm tired. Okay. It's Friday. All right. Come on. Give me a break, please. Yeah, that's end of proof. All right. We just define this as such. Okay. Okay. We can do better than this, right? So let's grab a brand new whiteboard, alright? Let's not be too lazy. Yeah, we can joke, laugh about it, right? We'll prove it, okay? Yeah, my dinner is frozen food from Walmart, so it's gonna take a while. Frozen fish and frozen whatever. Some, yeah, frozen, it's not parsnip, what's that? Radish. Yeah, frozen radish. Whatever. Okay, so radish and frozen fish. All right, so that's what's cooking. Okay, so all right, let's prove that. Okay, so proof, mathematical proof. All right. Here we go. You know, I have full-time job as a lawyer, okay? So this week has been very busy. Now I'm having a Friday night alone in Alaska again, right? By the way, okay, I'm gonna make this joke, okay? So I made this movie, Therapy for Metaphobia, alright? It was shot in, mostly shot in Californian desert. Some Parts of it was shot in Texas when I was still in the U.S. Army. Okay, some over the long weekends, all right. Yeah, but mostly it's California. Okay, so there's this joke about in that movie that I made all by myself. All right, nobody else was involved. I kept it secret. Yeah, I told some of my close friends about it, but yeah, but it was all done by one person, me. Okay, so there's a joke about discharging your liquid. Yeah, like PG-13 maybe. Urination, PP. Okay. Now, in physics, if you toss a ball at 45-degree angle, okay, it goes the long way. But if you deviate from the middle of the road, if you shoot out too vertical, then it goes like this. Too horizontal, it goes like this. Okay, yeah, middle of the road, and that's science, physics. You can prove this. Uh, Back in the days when I was South Korea, when I was in middle school, what grade was I? Maybe seventh or eighth grade, or ninth grade. Okay, yeah, one of our physics teachers in South Korea, in the year 1992, 1993. Okay, he showed us how to prove this using sine, cosine, whatever, trigonometry. We were like, wow, that's really cool. Okay, middle of the road, 45-degree angle, halfway between vertical and horizontal, 90 degree, 0 degree. Okay, it goes the farthest. Right? It's physics, mathematics. Okay. Yeah, we can prove this, no problem. Okay, because I know how to prove this. Okay, because I learned. But we can. What I'm more interested in saying is that politics same way, even business, happy middle, like King Solomon, right? Old fashioned this Old Testament book of Bible. Yeah, Jewish people. Okay. Yeah, middle of the road, and Greek people too. Aristotle, the virtue of being moderate, right? So that's what I advocate for. Be balanced. In China, Asia too, balance, yin and yang, right? Okay. Yeah, enough with that. So let's go ahead and do that proof. Okay. So what do we want to prove? Uh, Let me copy it down. So this is the left hand side, okay? Okay. This is the right hand side, alright. I have no idea, alright, so no clue how to go about proving this thing. It shouldn't be that difficult though, okay? Periodic function, periodic natural number function, okay? So, okay. So n ranges from 0, 1, dot 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 p, then p plus 1, p plus 2, okay, dot dot dot. right? Now, N row P, okay? I mean, rho and P, they kind of look the same, right? Because P, R, P is number one consonant like labial or labial dental. M, P, B, V, okay? Number one consonant. P, okay? And then R, R, D, T, S, okay? This is number two consonant. The number three consonant in humanological linguistics is like G, H, R, okay? This is number three, okay? Anyways. So N row P, okay, that's like let's add one more, okay? Dot 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 P minus one, right? Okay. We divide N by P. What's the remainder? That's the question. That's the row function. All right. So 0, 1, dot 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 P minus 1, and then 0, 1, 2, dot dot dot. Okay. Now, so this is a single unit, okay? P of them here, okay? So reverse of N row P is such that it's swapping horizontal reflection. Like you have A, B, C, D, you have A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A. Okay, so it becomes like P minus 1, P minus 2, dot 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 0. Okay? And then you have whatever, okay, you figure it out, right? So what you observe is this, right? What you observe is if you add these two rows of equations, okay, you add up these two equations, okay. Time to pick the color, alright. We'll take a break very soon, okay, so don't worry. I love taking breaks, okay. Yeah, if you add up these two rows, it becomes like N row P. In Russian, okay, so Russian that I'm studying, P pronounced as R, alright, so like privyet, okay. Yeah, how do you write, spell privyet, hello? It's like this, okay. Yeah, Russia is very based on Greeks, okay. There are a lot of Greek Orthodox in Russia, okay. Privyet. I don't know. I'm still learning, okay. Privyet. Yeah, B and V, labial dental, right? Privyet, I think. Privyet. Yeah, in Russia, yeah, this P pronounced as R, okay, so don't call me this. Don't call me on this, okay, because I'm still learning, okay? So I'm gonna erase it, right? Okay. Anyways, so yeah, you add up these two. Okay. P minus 1, 1 plus p minus 2, 0 plus p minus 1, it's just p minus 1. Okay, so yeah, you just pass this guy to the outside. Okay, so p minus 1, okay, minus this guy, and rho p is equal to r and rho p. Okay, it's informal proof. Okay, yeah, so QED, right, it's informal proof, right, but to formally prove this, I need some more time, right? We probably need some juxtaposition notation. Okay, so what is n? Horizontal juxtaposition. Okay, there's a vertical juxtaposition, right? We're doing horizontal juxtaposition. Okay, k from 0 to infinity. K. Okay. No, 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 it's not that. Yeah, it is. Okay. How about this guy? Juxta notation, right? So that's like k from 0 to infinity, right? I guess k rho p, right? How about this guy? Yeah, we'll leave it as blank, okay? So, because this is very interesting question, okay? Because in proof, formal mathematical proof, it's not just formalism. We learn something new, right? So proving is a good thing, okay? When I was a PhD student, PhD candidate, my professor, okay, head professor, okay, my advisor, PhD advisor, he would talk because I emailed to him some mathematical proof that I did, and he told me, "Oh, you're a smart guy. Okay, yeah, good, very good." So yeah, proving is good stuff. Okay, so because I wanted to be his I wanted to belong to his group, protein folding and whatnot. Okay, computational biology. All right, so I had to prove myself that I'm good enough to be to belong to his group, computational biology group. Okay, and yeah, like I love mathematics, so I came up with this problem and I solved it. I proved it. I showed it to him, and he liked that. So he get me into his group. Okay, PhD group, right? when I was in Kona, right? Yeah, yeah. I ended up dropping out of PhD program, but I met him again, right? The Kandan gentleman. Okay, so yeah, because I paid him a visit when I was in U.S. Army. All right, so he happened to be in that state at the time. So yeah, I paid him a visit. He was very glad to see me. Okay, so yeah, I was in Army combat uniform, ACU, right? His former PhD student. All right, so it was cool. Okay, yeah, this is a very good question to ask. All right, uh, I mean, we don't want to assume what we want to prove. That's kind of cheating, cutting the corner, right? But at the same time, we know uh, we may have to do this tomorrow. Okay, I'm way too tired. I'm way too drunk. I'm not hungry yet, but this is deep. All right, because we want to impress people. Okay, impress our professors, our teachers. We want to mathematically prove this thing. All right. We want to prove ourselves, and by proving this mathematical hypothesis, right? We want to prove ourselves, our worth, our value, so that we belong to their group, right? So there's a price, subscription, membership fee, right? Nothing is free. Okay? Okay. Yeah, you have natural number set, non-negative integers, right? But you have this p period, p for period, okay? pp, all right? And this there is this American movie cartoon series like this pp, right? Yeah, Wendy's. I love that hamburger. Wendy's hamburger. Okay, whatever. Well, if you're a guy, yeah, pp, right? How do you prove this 45-degree angle go to the maximum horizontal distance? I mean, pretty certain, okay? If you are a man, when you urinate, you can adjust the angle, right? Yeah, you can go up there or down there or horizontal. But yeah, when you urinate in snow, it leaves some mark, right? Yeah, 45-degree angle. That's the farthest way when you pee. Okay, so yeah, whatever. So you have natural numbers, right? And you have n row p, right? Period, p for period. Okay, it just doesn't have to be just guys. Yeah, females between age of 13 and 49, I guess. Yeah, they have monthly period, right? So yeah, we are being very inclusive, right? It's just it's not just guys urinating in this Alaskan snow like I do. Yeah, men and women, okay. We'll take 5 minutes break or 10 minutes break, okay? So I'm cooking my dinner, right? If I said something offensive to you, I'm sorry. I apologize, right? You have to give me some break, okay? All right. I see you in 5 or 10, okay? So I'm still cooking my dinner, so. Okay, where are we? Uh, Mathematical proof. We're gonna have to do this tomorrow, okay? Reversing, inverting. I mean, yeah, it's not too difficult, but at the same time, yeah. Let's grab a brand new whiteboard, okay? I took enough break already. Alright, so. Behold, eraser and pens and whiteboard, and this, what's this called? Easel, tripod easel. Yeah, we have everything we need, right? So we have about 1 hour left, right? Yeah, let's make the best use of this. Okay, so we do some pure mathematics. Okay. Okay. I got enough water, vodka. I'm at home. Alright, I'm not homeless. I got heater going on. My dinner cooking. Okay. I'm fortunate, lucky to have my house, my job, my car. I can pay my bills. Alright, let's do our best. Yeah, I'm single, alone in Alaska, but I'm okay with that. Okay, yeah, sometimes I miss it. Okay, dating scene, but you don't want to be too happy. Okay, why? Because humanology. Okay, this copium transfer. Okay, if you are happy, well, it comes from somebody else. Okay, it's like thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics, the law of energy conservation, whatever, right? Whatever. Yeah, if you're happy, it comes from somebody else. Okay, so because in humanology we have the law of copium conservation, right? So happiness either comes from your past or it comes from somebody else or both, right? Humanology, yeah, we talked a lot about that in this low 200 episode, but now that I cannot upload that because I was too offensive, maybe America and the world is not ready for it. That's fine, right? We redo it. We'll talk about that later. Okay. So now we are just doing mathematics. Okay. So I'm Asian, right? Geek, nerd, you name it. All right. Whatever. Okay. So let's say you have some random number, okay, n, right? N is equal to how about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay. Now reverse of n, whatever this function is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So what's the formula for this reverse function? Right. So that's the question. Okay. It's not too difficult a problem to solve, right? If you are good at mathematics, all right. So what we observe is this, okay? Digit by digit, okay, it all end up in six, okay, and we don't like six, okay, so it's like Satan's number, whatever, okay, okay. We'll be neutral, okay, we'll do eight, all right, okay. What we observe this digit by digit is that when we reverse it, okay, digit by digit addition, this digit wise, not bit wise, but digit wise addition, it all end up in eight, okay. 1 plus 7 8, 2 plus 6 8, okay, blah blah blah, okay. So we want to take advantage of that in this proof, right? Okay. So what's this reverse function? Reflection function, okay. So horizontal reflection, okay. Reverse, right? What's the relationship between the two? Okay, what's the mathematical formula for this R function? That's what we are trying to solve. That's the problem, right? Yeah, let's give it some comma, right? Okay. 1 million, I know English, alright. 1,234,567. Reverse of that is 7,654,321. Okay, so how do we relate these two? Okay, that's a question. We want some formula for this. Okay, so let's make it simpler. Okay, we'll do easy as 1 to 3. Yeah, like Jackson 5. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, whatever. Motown. Okay. Detroit, Michigan, Motown. Alright, so let's say N is 123. Okay? Reverse of N is 321. Okay? Okay, so which is, let's do this, okay? ABC, CBA, okay? Alright. One more example. Alright. So, So how do we mathematically, algebraically express this R reverse function, reflection function? Okay. What we observe is that uh, if we bitwise, digit-wise add them up, it always end up being 8. Okay, something like that. Okay. Uh, uh, but that's not always true because you have 5 to 7 and 7 to 5. Okay. How about this? Why do we express A1, A2, A3? Okay, so third attempt. N is equal to A1, A2, A3. Right? And reverse of N is equal to A3, A2, A1. Okay? The subscript, if you add up the subscript digit wise, it becomes to 4, 4, 4. Okay? So that's what we want to take advantage of. Yeah, this is like a horizontal juxtaposition, comma, 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 okay. When k from 1 to 3, uh, ak, this guy is horizontal juxtaposition. Yeah, k from 3 to 1, but we don't want that, okay. We want it to be ascending order, right? How do you do that? K from 1 to 3, A, 4 minus K. How about that? Okay, yeah. Yeah, that works, right? We are reversing the order as opposed to left to right. You're going to right to left, okay? By putting this minus sign, okay? So, okay? Because we are about to prove something, okay? Mathematical formal proof that takes some formalism foundation, all right? So that's why it's very educational, instructive, okay? We learn something new. So it does pay to prove some mathematical equation or inequality, whatever, okay? We are not doing any politics, okay? In mathematics, there's equation and inequality, like larger than, less than, right? Yeah, we'll deal with all that stuff. Okay? Mathematics, politics, there's some connection, right? FYI, for your information, right? How about FYD, for your data, right? Okay. Mm. Okay. I want to figure out. I want some closed form formula for this R of n, this reverse function, reflection function. Okay. We take 5 to 10 minutes break. Okay. So we have 1 hour left. It's Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday. In my line of work, our job is done. We got it. Okay. So yeah, tomorrow I don't have to go to work. Okay, the day after tomorrow, Sunday, I don't have to go to work because we got it done, right? We finished our project, right? So yeah, I can spend the last of 1 hour today to figure this thing out. Okay, I just give me 5 minutes, all right? 5 to 10 minutes. I'm still cooking my dinner in my microwave, plus the container of frozen food. Okay, right. We'll get back. Okay. Because I want to get to the bottom of this thing. I want to get to the bottom of this thing. Okay, so Okay. Uh, we'll do step by step, okay? We'll get back to the basics, alright? Like usual. Yeah, we use this guy. There we go. I don't know what this is about, okay? It's been a while, right? So. No idea what this was about. Some population growth, exponential function, whatever, okay? I should have taken a picture of this, okay? But, whatever. We are busy. Okay. Reflection. Horizontal reflection, okay, so. Here's some number, right? Number n, okay? This pen is useless, okay? So we toss it. Yes, okay, I guess. A number, right? 2, 3, 5, okay? 235. That's the number, alright? How's this blue doing? This pen's so useless, okay? It's wearing out, okay? So faint. It's decent. Alright. So what's that? 235. 2 times. Okay? Right. Reverse of this n, alright, is 532, which is equal to 5 times 10 to the second, 3 times 10 to the first. Okay? Alright. So how do we characterize, individualize, personalize this reverse function? That's the question, right? And it's something I'm struggling right now, and okay, now this 235, right? What pen do we have left? No, I have to throw this away. All these pens, man. So disappointing, okay? It's not thick enough. My goodness. Really? So disappointing, okay? I have to throw this out. Okay, my goodness. Oh, this is good. Alright. This guy is horizontal juxtaposition, okay? 2, digit 1, 3, digit 2, 5 digit 3, okay? Horizontal juxtaposition from k from 1 to 3 of dk, kth digit, okay? And this guy is equal to horizontal juxtaposition k from 1 to 3, right? D subscript delta blank, all right? Because here you have D3, right? D2 and D1. Okay, so they always add up to 4, right? 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so that's like 4 minus k. All right, we got it. After all this switching this pen color, dude. Oh, lady. So that's the foundation. All right, we got it. How do you generalize this? Oh, that's easy, right? There's some different thick pen. I don't know. We just use black, okay? Because this black pen is doing very well. Okay. Not now, huh? It's wearing out again. Slightly better, right? So n, number n, okay, is equal to horizontal juxtaposition from k from 1 to, we say L, length, right, of dk. Okay? Which is algebraically equal to, yeah, sigma. Well, that's, I have to reorder this thing. Oh my goodness, it's a nightmare. Whatever. We'll try it, okay? I think this is like L minus K. Okay, so potentially, right? Yeah, 2, 1, 0, right? Decay is just, it's not decaying, all right? It's a digit, kth digit, okay? Case digit, alright? Don't get any idea, alright? So, case digit, fourth digit, second digit, third digit, okay? Yeah. 2, 3, 5, some random, whatever, okay? Yeah. And then you have 10 to the second, alright? So, L minus K, in this case, L is what? 3? Yeah. So, 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay, we got it. Okay, so that's what this is. Now, uh, now there's a challenge. You take 5 minutes break, okay? So we assume this, okay? This is the base. Assume this. Then what is R of n? We'll take a break, okay? So comma notation, that's juxtaposition notation, okay? It's just D1, comma, D2, comma, D3, comma is horizontal juxtaposition, like 2, 3, 5, D1, D2, D3, okay? So that's all this is, okay? All right, fill in the blank if you want to and if you can, all right? If not, no worries, we'll do it together after 5 minutes break. All I'm asking is 5 minutes, all right? We have 30 minutes left, okay? Night is young. Let me take a picture of this, okay? So, yeah, it's messy, but I want to mark this moment, okay? So I want to take a picture of this, all right? All these whiteboards, okay? Okay. Let me take a picture of you. Let me take a picture of me. Okay. Now I'm ready to take a break. Do you want to see the picture of you? Alright, I'll show you. Yeah, that's that, okay? You still see that? Picture in a picture, okay? You want to see the picture of me? Yeah, this is me, okay? So, minute ago. Alright, so we'll take a break, okay? So, yeah, fill in the blank if you want to, if you can. Otherwise, no worries. It's your Friday too, right? Just sit back, lay back, okay? Yeah, relax. We'll do it together, okay? Alright. Take 5 to 10 minutes break, okay? Okay, we are back. Once and again. Alright. So mathematics, okay, it's about generalization, right? It's about abstraction. So we convert constants into variables, numbers into letters. That's what mathematics is about. Okay, so I understand this is not some easy stuff. Okay, but not too difficult either. It kind of halfway in between. Okay, okay, yeah, halfway in between. Okay, middle of the road. Aristotle, King Solomon, right? Yin and Yang, Asian, right? West and the East meet together in the middle, right? So, but I have to tell you, I want black to be blacks, white to be whites, Asians to be Asians, Hispanics to be Hispanics, Jews to be Jewish, alright? Arabs to be Arabs, okay? But yeah, we want to be, I mean, what I advocate for is that in this version of humanology, yeah, sexual segregation, okay? Let black marry black, white marry white, Asian marry white, if they're gonna have children, okay? Mixed kids, they're beautiful too, okay? So don't get me wrong, okay? But we want to preserve and protect the diversity of human race. Blacks, whites, browns, okay? In Alaska, okay, we have black bear, brown bear, white bear, okay? We want to protect and preserve their individual characteristics, diversity, okay? But when it comes to metaphysical world, yeah, cross pollination is good thing, okay? So, anyways, let's go ahead and do this, alright? I'm a geek, Asian nerd, alright? Okay, we just need to substitute, right? K from 1 to what? L, I guess. Where does 4 come from? Yeah, this guy, we are generalizing this guy, okay, so I guess it's L plus 1, okay, so, okay. It's heavy, I know. It's heavy to me too, okay? You are not alone if you think it's so overly complex. I'm there with you, okay? Because my mathematics is very shallow, very short. So let's make an example, okay? When L is 3, alright? Yeah, 4 minus K. Good. It works. How about sigma notation? Alright? That's gonna be a challenge. Juxta notation, convert it to, translate it to different language. Because juxta notation, like juxtapositional notation, alright? This kind of brand new, okay? But sigma is very traditional, all right? We have liberal, conservative, progressive, conservative, okay? We want some translation between Democrats and Republicans because they speak different languages. Democrats and Republicans, mathematics and politics. Only in this humanology you can do that. Mathematics, politics, different language, right? We can translate two different languages. Okay? Brand new mathematics, juxta notation, and sigma notation. Okay, yeah, we can translate this. Okay, we'll do it. All right. Okay. Yeah, we substitute this guy for this guy. Okay, so I guess this L plus one minus K, right? Times 10 to the if this is K, okay, so if you substitute this guy for this guy, this K guy, okay, so L minus L cancel out. Minus K minus it's like K minus 1, something like that. I don't know. Well, let's make some example, okay, so. So 235 become 523. 235 become 532, right? So, uh, when K is 1, you have L. So D of L in this example, 3, right? D of 3 is 5, okay, so 5 times K minus 1, okay, yeah. So that's 5, right? Now, K is 2, right? L is 3, so 3 plus 1 minus 2, 2. D2, 3, okay? And 3 times 2 minus 10 to the 2 minus 1, okay, 200. 10 to the second, what? Or 10 to the first, alright. So yeah, D2 3 times 10, 30, okay? Let's go when K is L, 3, okay? So 3 plus 1 minus 3, D1, 2, okay? 2 times, what is K? By now, 3. I guess this equation is wrong. So a plus 1 minus k, okay, it goes like 3 2 1, right? Okay. Yeah, this is wrong, okay, so it should go like I think it should be just k, right? Second hypothesis. Okay, let's work it out. Alright, so D3 to 1, right? K 1 to 3. Uh, yeah, I'm sorry. Is this right? Yeah, I think it should be L minus K, okay? So, third hypothesis L minus K. Okay. I think this is the correct equation, okay? So, yeah, we have 10 minutes left, alright? I'm not hungry yet, but my dinner has been cooked, so I have some obligation to my stomach. I'm not anorexic, okay? I eat healthy food 3 to 4 times a day. Vegetables, fruits, beans. I love beans. You go to Walmart, you have black beans, pinto beans, navy beans, kidney beans. Okay, oh, I love it. Healthy carbs, and fruits and vegetables and lean meat like chicken breast, turkey, right? Every now and then, yeah, I love beef and pork too. Okay. Anyways, I think this is correct. Okay, so yeah, number n. All right, 235. Digit one, digit two, digit three. All right. Yeah. 2 times 10 to the second, 3 times 10 to the fourth, 5 times 10 to the zeros. Okay, so it works. Okay. Now here, yeah, it's 10 to the second, 10 to the fourth, 10 to the zeros. Okay, the reverse number. All right. Yeah, it should stay the same, but the digit itself, it should be like instead of 3 to 1, it should be instead of 1 to 3, it should be 3 to 1. Okay, so yeah, when k is 1, L is 3, 3 plus 1 minus 1, 3. When k is 2, 4 minus 2, 2. When k is 3, yeah, 4 minus 3 is 1. Good. We got it. This is correct. Mathematics is not easy, okay? So, but we got it right, okay? So let me mark this moment by taking a picture and then we call it a day, call it a night, right? We gave enough love to mathematics, okay? All right. Okay. We have 10 minutes left, right? Yeah, let's talk about something, okay? Yeah, no matter what your race is, maybe you're mixed race, okay? You're all beautiful people, okay? So, but at the same time, we want white people to be white, black people to be black, Asian to be Asian, Arabs to be Arabs, Jews to be Jews, Indians to be Indians. Natives to be natives. Okay, so if you are mixed race, I have nothing against you. All right. Yeah, you're beautiful. Mixed race, they are so mysterious, magical, right? Yeah, exotic. Yeah, some of the most beautiful people I ever met. Some of the smartest people I have ever met. They're mixed race, right? Yeah. Okay. But what I'm saying is, we want blacks to be blacks, white to be white. Just like we want Dalmatians to be Dalmatian, Pomeranian to be Pomeranian. Okay, the diversity of human species. Yeah, white people they have blue eyes, green eyes, white skin, pink skin, red hair, blonde hair, brunette, brown, black hair. Okay, yeah, these brunettes, it's black hair, white skin, blue eyes, very beautiful, right? Yeah, so we want to preserve that racial, ethnic characteristics. Okay, we want black to be black, white to be white, blonde to be blonde, red hair to be red hair. Okay, we don't want to mix everything so that everybody becomes just brown. We don't want that. Okay, we want some pulse like beep, 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 up and down. Okay, we want some diversity as opposed to beep, death. We don't want that. We don't want monotony, monolithic. Every race just marry each other and become just brown. Or every male, female, they neutralize, become gray, gay world. We don't want that. We want some diversity. Okay? So this is not some liberalism. It's not conservatism. It's kind of this middle of the way, preserving the characteristics of the left and right. We want diversity, the left. But we want to conserve and preserve uniqueness of the races. We want blacks to be blacks, white to be white, Asian to be Asian, brown to be brown. We don't want to mix them all together. Okay? Mixed race kids, yeah, they're beautiful. I get it. I know. Okay? I've seen them, met them. Okay? Yeah, it's so cool. Okay? But at the same time, does it make sense to you? You have 5 minutes, right? Let blacks to be blacks, white to be white, brown to be brown, alright? Is it too much to ask? Okay? Next topic. We want men to be men and women to be women. Gender diversity. We don't want some mixed gender, okay? Men become more like woman, woman become more like man. This gray gay world. I mean, I don't know what you want. Do you want death, destruction, like be equalized? Male, we are like women. Women, they are like men. Gray, gay, middle, like be. Or would you want to see some life, day and night, pulse, beep, beep, beep? Or would you rather see this gray gay world where men become more like woman, woman become like man, gray gay world, meeting in the middle, like equalizer, right? Death. Beep. What do you want? Do you want life or death? Gayism or ultra interracialism, this ethnic men going after beautiful young white slender ladies, marrying them. Yeah, we are talking about Senator of Florida, Marco Rubio, Senator of Texas, Ted Cruz, Hispanic guys. Going after beautiful young white blonde girl, slender. That's what who they married. We are talking about Bruce Lee going after this brunette, Caucasian, slender young white girl. We are talking about Quincy Jones, this black guy, going after one after another this beautiful young slender white girls. We are talking about Jimi Hendrix, Tiger Woods, Jamie Foxx, all these ethnic men. Okay. Oh yeah, Steve Mnuchin, the secretary of the whatever finance, Federal Reserve. Yeah, you're conservative Christian hero. Yeah, Mr. Pastor Rabbi Zacharias and his sons, Indians, South Asia Indians. Okay, going after beautiful young white, blonde, white skin, blue eyed, blonde hair, golden hair girls as ethnic men. Their children, brown. Okay, brownization of the human race, gray of grayification of this gender. Okay, let's equalize. Okay, annihilate the diversity, get rid of the diversity. Okay, communism, socialism. There's no more rich people, poor people. Just be in the middle. Okay, everybody average out, equalize. There will be no more black race, white race, brown race. There will be no more male, female. Beep. Just equalize everything, average out. Is that your concept of utopia, paradise? Or is it gray gay world, brown race, single race, brown world? It's a question for me to ask you. Or do you want some diversity? Black to be black, white to be white, brown to be white, and brown to be brown to be brown, male to be male, female to be female. You want some diversity or not? Okay? Something to think about, okay? Yeah, time is out. Time is up. Thank you. Have a nice weekend.